Welcome to the Media Creator channel. In this video I will show the text portrait effect. We separate the facial part from the background. We press the mask key and the background is removed. Create solid color and make its color black. Drag this layer to the very bottom. Select the image layer. Give the black and white effect. Combine these two layers. While the layer is selected, give it a Gaussian blur effect and make the value 10 pixels. Save it as a PSD. We'll use this later. Take a step back with the Ctrl-Z key. Add the post you want to add. And set the size. Select the font layer and press Convert to Smart Object. While the layer is selected, filter, distort and displace. You can enter the values I entered. Select the PSD file we saved earlier here. Drag the text layer to the middle. You can choose this option and give the golden look. You can enlarge and reduce the text later. I make the details more distinct with curves.